wrong with you people? Stop! Stop!
Relax, relax.
On the 20th of April 2023, in Florida, police were dispatched to what seemed like a minor traffic accident, but it quickly turned into a tense confrontation. A gray sedan driven by a woman named Erica had slammed into a guardrail after hitting another vehicle and pushing it into a bus. When officers approached, she sat motionless behind the wheel, her eyes empty, her voice trembling. They asked her to step out, but Erica refused again and again. Under the flashing red and blue lights, the air grew thick, and within minutes, a simple crash spiraled into a chaotic arrest.
Oh, sorry. You just have to do tags. What's going on, ma'am? What happened? 01. What's going on?
I'm calling my boyfriend.
Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from?
Lawrenceburg. Literally, like, right there.
You have your life insurance on you?
So it just sits there.
Alright, can you grab it?
No, there's a note.
We got second today. We just came from one.
But this, yeah, she's referencing.
What's going on?
She did get out. Yeah, I know. And she did get out, and she was like, she basically was like standing up, holding on to me.
What happened here?
What's here?
You have your driver's license?
Did you get her ID or?
Not yet. I'm still waiting on her. Yeah, but in a minute. Let's deal with the smash into this and then go to the guardrail.
Hello.
Ma'am.
Hi. I'm Officer Mendez. Police. How you doing?
She ever provide you her license yet? Did you yet?
Did she give you a license?
A drunk woman with no identification or driver's license caused a chain reaction crash involving 3 vehicles, leaving the scene in chaos. When police arrived, she sat stubbornly inside her car, mumbling incoherently, her eyes drifting in a haze of alcohol.
What happened?
Ma'am, let her. Ma'am, we're over here.
I'm not talking.
No worries. Talk to me. All right?
No, I'm really not.
That's fine. She stepped away. What's your name again? Excuse me. What's your name? Ma'am. Hello? You need some help?
Pull her out.
Here, come outside real quick.
No.
Step out of the car.
No.
Listen,
No.
we're done with the traffic crash.
No.
I'm conducting a DUI investigation.
That's fine. That's fine.
Can you cooperate with my investigation?
No, I'm not getting out of the car.
Go ahead and step out of the car for me, okay?
No.
All right. I'm going to pull you out of the car if you don't step out of the car. Understand?
Should I video this? Or?
I'm videoing, okay? Go ahead and step out of the car.
Ma'am, come out of the car.
Don't.
The vehicle has to get towed.
Don't tense.
Ma'am, your air.
Get you out of the car, okay?
Your airbags went off. The vehicle has to be towed. Come out of the
You
car.
have to come out of the car, okay?
Okay.
Step out of the car.
Just step out. I'm just trying to help you because I don't want you to reach over and grab something.
Please do not.
I'm going to let go of you, but you're going to come out. Is that good?
Okay.
All right.
Please
Come
don't.
out.
Come on.
Ma'am, don't start reaching into the car.
Let's go. Let's go. Or I'm going to pull you out. We're out of options now.
Ma'am, step out of the vehicle like you were earlier.
Come on.
What?
Get out of the vehicle like you were earlier.
Listen.
Step out of the car.
Listen. Stop. 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 Erica, you have to
Stop.
have
Step out of your car.
Police instructed her to step out of the vehicle so they could proceed with the investigation. The airbags had already deployed, smoke still lingering inside the cabin, but she refused to move. Her grip tightened on the steering wheel, eyes defiant, as if leaving the car meant surrendering control of her world.
Lindsay,
Okay. I need to pause.
ma'am,
I'm not.
please step out of your car.
No.
The vehicle is going to be towed. You have to come out of the vehicle.
I'm fine with that, but
You can't be in the car when it's getting towed.
Okay. I need to call someone.
All right, you'll have an opportunity for that in a
No,
second.
no,
But you have to
listen.
come out. You don't have the
No,
option to stay in the
no.
car.
No, officer.
Hey,
Nope.
Over your Miranda.
Stop.
Stop. Relax.
No.
You were calm before. Relax. I spoke to you earlier. You were very calm.
Yeah,
Let's get back to that. Let's get back to that how we were before. 'Cause I don't know why you're getting all hyper and some of that. All right.
Can we pick it back up, please? Nice and calm, right? Listen, like I explained, we're done with the crash. I'm investigating for possible driving under the influence. You understand that? Before I do that, I gotta read you some things, okay? I just need a yes or no. You understand? All right. I'm required to warn you before you make any statements. Listen to me. Can you pay attention? Give me a second. Ma'am, before you make any statements, you have the following constitutional rights.
I
Yep.
know I have the right to.
All right, I just gotta
know.
explain it to you, okay? And
I
this is
know.
only-
Ma'am,
I
just listen
know.
to him.
No,
This is only to protect
I want to.
Okay.
I want.
Just listen to what he has to
No,
say.
This
no,
is only to protect
no.
you. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Do you understand? You understand?
Hey, go on the passenger side. Make sure she's not reaching for nothing.
You have the right to remain silent and not answer
No.
any questions. Do you understand that?
No,
What don't you understand about it?
I would like to reach my
We
friend.
have to get through this, okay?
Okay,
You're gonna
I
have-
know
Okay,
that you're
relax.
good.
Let's relax. Let's relax.
No,
We're just talking.
no,
We're just
no.
talking right now.
No, we're not talking.
We are talking. I'm trying to have a conversation with you. But I need to read this to you so you're protected.
Listen.
You understand that?
And I know what I'm projecting.
Without me reading your rights, you don't have these constitutional. I need to know that you understand you have these constitutional rights, okay?
Well, I know that I have these constitutional
Look, you have the right to remain
rights.
silent and not answer any questions. You
I
understand that?
don't agree with that. I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that.
I just need to know that you understand with it.
I don't agree with
Any
that.
statement
I
you
don't
make-
agree with that.
Ma'am, just listen to him.
Must be freely and
I
voluntarily
don't
given.
agree with it.
Okay, just listen.
I don't
You have the
agree
right
with
to the
it.
presence and representation
I don't
of a lawyer
agree with it.
of your choice before you make any statement and during
I
any
don't
question.
agree with it.
If you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence and representation of a court-appointed lawyer. Any statements and during any questioning. If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent and can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be of your own free will. Any statement can be and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand these rights as I have read them to you?
No.
Are you just saying no because you don't agree with it or you don't understand them? Do you understand the rights?
No.
What don't you understand?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand?
I don't understand.
I need a
I don't
explanation
understand.
so I can explain.
I
it to
don't
you.
understand.
I want to be able to.
I don't
explain.
understand.
Let's bring it down. a little
Don't
bit.
put your fucking eyes up. I don't give
I
a
want to
fuck.
be able to look at you.
You're not
What?
looking at me.
What don't you understand so I can help you understand it?
Give me my free will.
You understand your rights then?
No.
How am I going to get help you to understand them?
Give me my boyfriend.
All right, you're going to have an opportunity to talk to him. For
No,
right
I
now,
need them. I
you
need
have
them
to deal
right
with this
now.
right now, okay?
No.
Are you ready to come out of the car so we can continue talking?
No. I know what this crap is.
Is this car in your name?
Yes.
You're the registered owner?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name?
Erica.
Erica. Okay, Erica. I'm Officer Mendez, okay? Like I explained to you. Erica, I'm just trying to have a
I
conversation with
don't
you.
care what your name is. I'm not trying to go to jail. Like,
Why
I'm
would
not.
you go to jail?
I'm not trying to. I'm not.
Why would you go to jail?
I'm not trying.
What is it? Did you have any drinks today? Did you have anything to drink today? Before you drove? Erica,
What?
did you have any drinks today?
No, I'm annoyed.
Why are you
I'm
annoyed?
super fucking
Well,
annoyed.
we have to go through this process, okay?
Why? Why?
I'm not going to be able to go anywhere because I'm investigating for driving under the influence.
Well,
okay, after the
investigate.
crash. That's what I'm trying to do, but you're not helping me.
What do you want from me?
Yeah, you have any drinks today?
No.
Okay.
What do you want? What else do you want?
Have any medical conditions that you suffer from?
No.
Alright. Did you hit your head at all today?
No.
Okay. Would there be a reason why you hit the car in front of you?
No.
Do you want to conduct some field sobriety exercises for me so that I can determine whether you are under the influence of
No,
anything?
sir.
You don't want to do them?
No.
Alright. If you don't do them, then I have to end my investigation based on the information that I have right now. With that in mind, would you want to do the field sobriety exercises?
After several minutes of patient negotiation, the officers realized she wouldn't cooperate. Their voices turned firm as they gave one final warning, then reached for the door. The tension broke in an instant. They pulled her from the car as she struggled, ending the standoff she had forced to the very last moment.
You don't want to do it. Alright. You're going to be placed under arrest for suspicion of driving under the influence.
Stop!
Okay?
Stop!
Come out of the car.
Listen,
Come out of the car
you have
now.
to come out.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Alright.
What is wrong with you people? Stop! Stop! Stop!
Don't tense.
Stop!
Relax, relax. Let's sit down, Erica. Sit down. Listen, like I explained, under arrest for suspicion of driving under the influence.
Okay, that's fine. Stop!
Yeah, let me do it right here.
Stop!
Right here. Right there. I have to put it. No,
Just gonna pat you down, Eric.
Get this off my
Do you have a license in the car?
Get this off
Can't
my
find it. I've been looking for it the whole time.
Erica, relax for me. This isn't helping, okay?
Do you have anything on you, Erica, that's gonna poke or stick me?
Stop it. Don't do that. You're gonna get another charge.
I don't give a f-
Good?
Follow you to bat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's take a trail.
Alright.
Step for
Yeah. The spare.
Yeah. Oh. She got the camera on.
Yeah.
Yep.
Does she have a purse or anything in there?
In the end, the woman identified as Erica was arrested and charged with driving under the influence, battery on a law enforcement officer, and driving without a valid license. She spent the night in jail before appearing in court the next morning. The judge found probable cause for the charges, set her bond at $1,000, and appointed a public defender to represent her. She was released later that day under a no-alcohol condition. However, in the weeks that followed, prosecutors quietly downgraded the case. The felony charge of battery on a law enforcement officer was dismissed, and the DUI was reduced to a misdemeanor, transferring the case to county court. By August, her $1,000 bond was refunded, effectively closing the case with no lasting felony record. But the incident left behind a clear lesson that defiance and intoxication behind the wheel can turn a minor mistake into a life-altering confrontation. What began as a simple crash ended with handcuffs, humiliation, and a criminal record, a stark reminder that cooperation and responsibility can prevent chaos, pain, and regret.